Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you on a ride, literally. Today, we're diving into the world of electric roller suits and all the funky gear you need to feel like a superhero while gliding down the street. You ever feel like your morning commute is just a little too pedestrian? Well, let me introduce you to the Rollerman electric suit. It's like strapping a jet engine to your feet. Now, if you want to turn heads while you cruise, the Rollerman electric roller skating suit is the answer. This bad boy combines the thrill of roller skating with cutting-edge electric technology. With built-in motors in the boots providing serious thrust, you'll be zipping around town like you're in a fast-paced movie chase scene. But wait, before we get too deep into the specifications, make sure to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. We're here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of vehicles and gear. Now back to the suit. The Rollerman has an easy-to-recharge battery that promises long-lasting power. I mean, it's not quite the Energizer Bunny, but it'll keep going longer than that friend who insists on just one more at the bar. It's designed for versatile use, whether you're commuting to work, enjoying a leisurely ride, or just trying to impress your neighbors with your coolness factor, this suit has you covered. Now, let's switch gears to the Buggy Rollin Black full set. Priced at $6,407, that's around $7,070, this isn't just your average set of rollerblades. No, this is the full kit, including everything from arms to legs to the chest and back. And trust me, you'll want every piece of this gear. The wheels? Oh, they're no joke. Each arm, knee, and elbow is fitted with 100mm gyro black Valkyrie wheels coupled with industrial-grade SKF black ABEC 5 bearings. These wheels might take a bit to warm up, but once they do, watch out, world. What's even cooler is that the black set features special steel axles with every screw and bolt secured with Loctite, just like those fancy race cars and airplanes. That's right, you can feel like a race car driver while rolling down the street. Just don't go trying to drift around corners in your neighborhood unless you want to explain to your neighbors why you suddenly have a new fence. The black back features shark vents for cooling, because who wants to overheat while showing off their sweet moves? And speaking of moves, the design allows for some serious mechanical stability. You know, in case you feel like performing a mid-air somersault, though I'd recommend sticking to a simple glide to start. The adjustable straps ensure that you're always in the right position, making it feel like the suit was custom-made for your body. So, whether you're tearing it up on the Rollerman suit or cruising in the Buggy Rollin black set, there's no shortage of fun to be had. Remember, you can find a link to the official product website in the video description below.